Why does unbiased sampling matter so much in health research? Picture this. You're trying to study the health impacts of a certain lifestyle choice, but your sample only includes people from a specific demographic. Your findings may not accurately represent the effects of that lifestyle choice on the entire population, thus leading to skewed or inaccurate conclusions. This, in essence, is the danger of sampling bias. Sampling bias is a potential distortion in research findings that stems from a non-random selection of participants for a study. In health research, such bias can significantly undermine the validity and generalizability of the findings. There are several types of sampling bias commonly encountered in health research. First, take selection bias. This occurs when certain individuals or groups are systematically excluded or preferentially included in the study sample. Imagine you're studying a disease that affects both young and old, but you only include participants above a certain age. This is a classic example of selection bias. Next, consider volunteer bias. This arises when participants self-select to be part of a study, potentially leading to a sample that doesn't accurately represent the target population. Think of a study that relies on volunteers. Those who choose to participate may have different characteristics or motivations than those who don't, and this can skew the results. Finally, there's healthy user bias. This can influence research outcomes as individuals who actively seek healthcare may differ significantly from those who don't. For instance, people who regularly visit their doctors may be more health conscious than those who don't, and this can affect study outcomes. Sampling bias can seriously undermine the credibility of research findings, leading to inaccurate conclusions. It can limit the external validity of the study, making it difficult to generalize the results to the wider population. Furthermore, sampling bias can introduce confounding variables and result in misleading associations. So how can researchers reduce sampling bias in health research? For starters, they should strive for a random sampling technique to ensure all individuals within the target population have an equal chance of being included. Furthermore, they should aim to recruit a diverse and representative sample, ensuring all relevant demographics and characteristics are adequately represented. It's also crucial to minimize self-selection by using incentives or reaching out to potential participants directly. By applying rigorous sampling methods, researchers can enhance the validity and reliability of their findings in health research. Now, let's shift gears and talk about Stata software, a comprehensive statistical analysis package tailored specifically for researchers in the healthcare field. Stata's power lies in its ability to handle complex healthcare data, conduct rigorous data management, and perform advanced statistical analyses. One of the key advantages of Stata software in health research is its user-friendly interface. With its wide range of built-in statistical functions and models, Stata allows researchers to efficiently analyze large data sets, identify patterns, and make evidence-based conclusions. Additionally, Stata's ability to handle longitudinal or panel data makes it invaluable in tracking disease progression, assessing treatment effectiveness, and evaluating healthcare interventions. In conclusion, sampling bias is a significant challenge in health research, but with careful planning and rigorous methodology, it can be minimized. And tools like Stata software can assist in managing and analyzing complex data, making them invaluable resources in the quest for robust and meaningful health research findings.